CR, a Truth Information and Education speaker. He is a graduate of Bachelor of Science in Public Safety in 2019 at the prestigious Philippine National Police Academy. In the same year, he entered the fire service and became a commissioned fire officer. Throughout his career, he served as a municipal fire marshal to various stations within the region, as well as the chief FSAS of Cagayan de Oro Fire District. Currently, he is the City Fire Marshal of Valencia City Fire Station. Please help me welcome Fire Senior Inspector Dofel D. Tenabro, sir.
To our Regional Director, Fire Chief Superintendent Alma Gran Nakahing, ma'am, good morning. Assistant Regional Director for Administration, Fire Superintendent Alan Cabot, sir, good morning, sir. Assistant Regional Director for Operation, Fire Senior Superintendent Romel A. Villafuerte, sir. To our Regional Chief of Staff, Fire Senior Superintendent Richie A. Fabre, sir, good morning, sir. Sir Toledo, sir, good morning. Sir Kabanday. Other key officers, fellow firefighters, non-uniformed personnel, ladies and gentlemen, good morning. February na. Pag mayroon tag February, una na itong musulod sa itong una-una, di ba? About love, dahil. Pero si Aura kay nauna niya, date din. Ano po kayo ka-date ra? Today, I want to talk about the kind of love we don't always think about. The love that comes from work. When we hear love, we often think of family, friends, or romance. But love is also passion, purpose, and connection. We spend much of our lives working, and when we find passion in what we do, we experience a deep sense of fulfillment. Loving our work means taking pride in our skills, enjoying the challenges, and finding purpose in our efforts. It's also about the people we work with, the colleagues who support us, the mentors who guide us, and the teams that became like family. Simple act of kindness, encouragement, and teamwork create workplace filled with connection and meaning. Beyond that, work gives us purpose, whether it provides for our loved ones, helping others, or making a difference in the world. When we recognize the value of what we do, even the hardest tasks became worthwhile. Work is not just about winning money. It's about making a difference. Whether we help customers, care for patients, teach students, or build something useful, our work matters. When we see the impact of what we do, we feel proud and motivated. It helps us grow as who we are, as people. Every challenge teaches us something new. Every success makes us more confident. The love for learning and improving pushes us to do better each day. But loving work also means knowing when to rest. Taking breaks, spending time with family, and doing things we enjoy outside of our work help us stay happy and energized. A good balance makes us better at our jobs and in life, and one of the best parts of work is helping others. Whether support a co-worker, guiding a new employee, or making a customer's day better. Kindness at work makes a difference. When we give to others, we feel more connected and fulfilled. By appreciating our work, valuing the people around us, and remembering why we do it, we bring love into our daily efforts. So let's work with passion, kindness, and purpose. Because when we love what we do, work becomes more than just a job. It becomes a part of who we are. This is Fire Senior Inspector Dafel D. Tenebro, leaving you with the Bible verse. What you do, work at it with all your heart, as working for the world, for the Lord, not for the human masters. Colossians 3:23. Thank you. Once again, good morning.
Thank you for that inspiring message, sir. At this juncture, we will call in our Assistant Regional Director for Administration, Fire Senior Superintendent Alan A. Cabot, sir, for the Medallion of Papuri, to our speaker, to be assisted by our Assistant Regional Director for Operations, Fire Senior Superintendent Rumal E. Villapardo, sir. Citation reads, Bureau of Fire Protection Regional Office 10, Maharlika Building, Gumawela Extension, Carmen, Cagayan de Oro City. Pursuant to the Bureau of Fire Protection 10 Program on Awards, Incentives for Service Excellence, this Medallion of Papuri is hereby conferred to Fire Senior Inspector Dafel D. Tenebro, Acting City Fire Marshal, Valencia City Fire Station, BFP Region 10, for his insightful contribution and commendable performance as a troop information and education speaker during the traditional Monday flag raising ceremony held on February 3, 2025 at the BFP Regional Office 10. Such display of dedication and commitment to serve to inspire and motivate others, contributing to the successful achievement of the BFP's mandate and programs, thereby worthy of recognition and emulation. Given this third day of February 2025 at the Office of the Regional Director, BFP 10, Lumamela Extension, Carmen, Cagayan de Oro City. Signed, Alma Gran Abacanin, PhD, Fire Chief Superintendent, PSC, BFP Regional Director. May we call on any announcements from different divisions and sections, ma'am, sir? There being none, let us hear a message from our Assistant Regional Director for Administration, Fire Senior Superintendent Alan A. Cabot, sir.
Thank you, Kim. To our ARDO, Senior Superintendent Villaperte, our RCS, Senior Superintendent Fabre, other key officers, fellow firefighters, mayong buntag sa tanan. No, happy ibig month ug ni speaker pa. No, nahuman ang January, no, sugod na po ta sa February. So I'd like to remind again those who are birthday celebrators for the month of January, February, and March. No? So happy birthday sa inyong tanan. Katawa si Girly, oh. Last year, no, I still remember because it is again another tradition with the Bebe Region 10, no, during the celebration of Valentine's. Na doon na tayo medyo, no, naptan kaya po na ko ni when I was assigned here, no, sa inspector pa ko. Kanang during Valentine's doon na tayo gamay nga search for Mr. and Miss Valentine. So again, kung pwede, no, wala man si Mark. I-continue siguro na to, no, gamay raman na nga kanang need kay murag snacks raman na siya. No? Ang importante is the candidates. So siguro mitras layo-layo pa mag-scout na ta kung kinsay ato ang i-kuan kanang recommend, no. Kay ato magong niagi, I still remember medyo padaghanay ra man tog sticker kung kinsay sticker. So siguro we have to think another kanang tawag gani unsay kanang pamaagi, no. Unsa na to pag-search dili lang sticker kay ang uban maghungay mura man og sa election pa vote buying kay hunghungon man nga ipangtao nita ng sticker dito sa iya aron sila gyud modaog. So walay mahimo si Attorney Jan Balmores kay tuwa man sa ihatanan padulong ang sticker, no. So karon hopefully we will continue this tradition kay kung man apart man na sa ato ang medyo pang-unwind nga sige lang tagtutok sa atong trabaho. Okay, siguro wala man tayo laing I just want to remind all the division chiefs and section chiefs that we have a meeting, no, 10 a.m. today with our RT. So just prepare for the needed reports nga iyang gipangayo, especially sa finance and katong update. So, kung again, medyo init naman, no? Hoping that our week, the first week of February is a fruitful and a blessed week ahead of us. Thank you.
Thank you for that message, sir. Let us now sing with honor and pride the gift hymn. That concludes our traditional Monday flag raising ceremony. This has been your host, FO1 Kimberly Paul. Thank you, and let's have a safe and productive week ahead.
Harap sa likod! Harap!